Oh, looks like we're here. Hollywood Plumbing. Just for the day, mate. Let's get into it.
There we go. Morning, mate.
Oh, hang on, buddy.
Scotty.
Ziggy, hang on.
Yeah.
Hang on.
Nice to meet you, Ziggy.
Oh, a bit late as usual, mate, I reckon.
Scotty was driving.
Big day today, boys. Most important thing, though. Coffee run. Most important thing. So, Herb was that, mate. Get going, yeah?
I do this guy. I do coffee run.
Thanks, so that way you know when you put it, there you go. So when you put your next,
Dangerous, like I got my high vis on.
exactly, or a helmet, mate. when you put that in, I should go to the next one there, and then slot in. Very easy, mate. Yeah, that's it.
Oh, perfect.
How good was that?
This plumbing business is pretty straightforward.
Easy. There you go. That's all done.
Done.
There you go.
And now turn the water on, boys.
You've done more than what a second year apprentice of mine works does. Now, as you do that, stay up there. You've got to ream it out with your finger inside. Just make sure inside, right inside, yeah. Your middle finger.
Just taking it. Yeah. Back.
That's fine, mate.
You did well. Is it the smoke already, eh?
It's almost lunchtime, buddy. Cheers, bud.
Was yours a quarter strength chai?
Was that a skinny cap soy latte, was it?
Yeah, mate.
Cheers, bud. Thank you. Appreciate it.
After all this, you didn't.
Yeah, I didn't. Damn it! I'm gonna get my own now.
All right, mate. Enough of a break for you, mate. Let's get back to work, yeah? Welcome to the bar.
Make it work, mate.
Hey.
Hard work. I've been doing all the work while you've been off Instagramming or whatever you're doing while you're getting your coffees.
I got coffees, mate. You're welcome, by the way.
That's it.
Round peg, round hole. Nailed it.
Keep going to the other one. Now, before we hold it there, because we're going to connect it down there, but before you do that, there's a little weight that we've got to get down there. A little weight. Just go get that one.
Not getting me that easy. Beautiful.
There we go. As easy as that.
Easy as that.
Perfect.
Nailed
Next
it.
thing, probably can go back and sleep there if you want.
They're welcome. There you go, James. You can get back in the bathtub now.
Alright, boys. Pack up time. Let's go. We're in here. My boys are out. You guys pack it up and we'll see you.
Well, we have to pack up.
Yeah, well, we did all the hard work, yeah, so someone's got to do the dirty work.
How did you get failed? We've done all this.
Good luck, boys. Have a good one, yeah? Thanks, mate.
See you, boys.
Have fun. Do you know what? Do you even know how to pack up? You walked past something already.
I don't even know where anything goes.
We just shot it in the water.
We could do even more damage now.
Unsupervised damage. That job's never done. Still all the Sharkbite loaded up. Hollywood Plumbing.
Well, thanks to Hollywood Plumbing and Mimosa Homes for having us on site for Sharkbite today. It's been fun, but I think it's fair to say we should leave it up to a licensed plumbing in the future and we'll stick to our day jobs.
I'll work on getting that license.